prosecutors are here to do justice. And there have been cases where you find out information and you think, oh boy, there goes my case. And you should be able to go to a supervisor that will tell you exactly that. Turn that over to the defense and call the chief. And you have to be taught at a very early age that you have to be able to stand up and tell the police when they have done something right and tell them when they have done something wrong. I can give you an example of I tried a case where two individuals came out of Massachusetts and they were selling a kilo of cocaine. Prosecuted the first case. Jury found the defendant guilty. Getting ready for the second case, and because I had strong professional relationships with the police officers, somebody said to me, you may not want to call this one officer again. I think he has some problems. I didn't take him off my witness list. I called the chief and said, what's going on? Turn that file over. And instead of doing as I directed, the chief called my boss and said, what is she doing? That file went to the court. That witness was not called, and I turned around and gave that information. The first case that I had tried and where the jury convicted the individual. Didn't do anything to that case because I could make an argument. But anywhere along the way, if there was a supervisor that just said, no, don't upset the police, that's how you forge relationships. You have to communicate, and that starts at the top down. So I don't mean to get on a soapbox, but if we are going to look at that honestly, you need to have leaders that understand the process, that can teach and that can change, that tell the prosecutors what needs to be done, that can withstand the heat when it comes, whether it's from a police chief or from a defense attorney or from the Supreme Court. That's what we need. Leadership across the board. Leadership that can engage their people in their office, and leadership that can engage with the police chiefs, with the public defenders, and the defense attorneys. So those are my comments to some of the questions that have been answered through here. But again, the win or loss is not a prosecutor's job. It's to do justice.